Hey, what's up guys? Jamie G back here again. Thanks for joining me in today's video. So in one of my earlier videos I went through the process of actually creating a review video for a product that's launching out and a bit of an introduction to launch jacking. Now I actually went through that process yesterday and yeah, put it out a nice little bonus page and a nice little review video, which wasn't really my best attempt. It's been quite a while since I've actually done these videos, so I was a little bit out of practice and yeah, kind of sucked, to be honest. So yeah, it wasn't really how I was hoping it would come out. But anyway, point being is that I went through the process and I did do it, and it categorically does work. Oh, gonna get run over. Better not do that on TV. Oh, gonna get run over again. Damn it, Melbourne. Too many trams. Anyway, so I took action. I did practice as I preached, all that sort of stuff, and yeah, it's managed to get me ranked in first couple of spots. I think first page, I should say. I didn't actually, I missed out on the first couple of spots, but did end up getting ranked on the first page at least anyway, which was kind of cool. So anyway, if you are new to my channel, my name's Jamie G. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online, and all things digital. So I'd love you guys to join me. If you wanted to hit the subscribe button below and the bell icon, I'm going to be putting out a whole bunch more of these types of things. So I'll see you guys on the inside. Hey, what's up guys? Thanks for joining me back here again. So just recapping what I've done in the last few days, I did a video on how to do launch jacking. And if you're unfamiliar with that, again, just to cover it really quick, basically what you're looking at doing is creating a video or a website blog article, for example, before a product is released. So the way you go about doing that is you jump onto a site called muncheye.com, and you have a look at all the launches for internet marketing related products that are coming out in the next sort of anywhere from a couple of days to a week, couple of weeks, whatever you choose. I guess the further out you go, the more SEO you can apply to your blog article or video and get it ranked higher easier. I personally just stick to videos, just do a simple video review. And I'm still sort of in the midst of updating my blog at the moment, so I haven't really done much on that, but I'll be likely to update those on the blog as I go along. So the idea being behind the strategy is that, for example, the product that I'm promoting at the moment is called the Auto Profit System. So if you can imagine that if a new product is just launched, keywords such as the Auto Profit System review don't actually exist yet. So the idea behind the strategy is that you can very easily rank in the top 10 of YouTube or Google, whatever, for these keywords. So if someone is looking at the sales page, they think, actually, maybe I'll have a look at a couple of reviews first, see who else has done it. It'll pop up with your video or your blog article, whatever it is. And if they click on a link, hopefully you'll make some commission along the way. So that's the entire strategy. So yesterday's video, I went through, I actually did my first review that I've done for a long time now. Unfortunately, I did have a bit of a mishap. YouTube and I didn't always agree with each other. In my former channel, I had, I think it was like 40 or 50 odd videos, something up. And basically, I paid someone on Fiverr to send some traffic to my videos. I wanted to increase the views. I wanted to increase my subscriber count. And I didn't think I was doing anything overly unethical at the time, but unfortunately YouTube thought otherwise. And as it transpires, the particular person I hired was just sending bot traffic to my pages and my videos and my channel, and therefore YouTube clicked to that and banned my account. So all 50 odd videos, whatever it was, instantly disappeared, which is a little bit frustrating. I'd worked pretty hard to get that up and running, and I was starting to get some momentum. I was getting natural subscribers appearing in the search results, things like that. So I was pretty happy with how I was going, plus making more and more commissions every time I'd do this process as well. So it was starting to work, and a little bit frustrating. So I'm starting again. And I did my first review video yesterday on this product, the auto posting system. Now, the thing behind, I guess, that makes what I did, and I didn't even click at the time, to be honest, but the thing that I was doing with this particular product, why it was a little bit harder than I anticipated, was because this product had actually been launched about a year prior, and I've just updated, I guess, the entire system, the entire way that it works, the the training behind it, some of the bonuses and the upsells, that are all updated that and relaunched it as a new product, as a complete fire sale, just to generate some more interest in it. So basically where I'm going with all that is that there was already a whole bunch of content that was already ranked for that keyword already, so it became really super competitive. So what I'm going to do is just go down, show you I used a particular software that I use called Commission Gorilla. I'm going to leave a link below, and there is a stack of bonuses that I have included with this as well. In fact, there's 10 done for you bonuses that you can add on top of the existing ones that are part of Commission Gorilla. Commission Gorilla, by the way, is just a piece of software that allows you to create really nice pages like this for bonuses for this type of product. So anyway, I'm just going to go down and have a bit of a look through. As you can see, it's pretty neat. Yeah, like I say, it's drag and drop, really easy to create these types of pages, and I stole that literally from the actual sales page itself. That's my little review video that I did. That's me in a former shot in my apartment. I don't know where I was going with that, but anyway. So that's that. The idea being is that I do a bit of a review on the product. I make a suggestion that if they do want to pick this up, check out the bonuses below. And so people ideally will either click on that or they'll keep reading, in which case I give a bit of information about the product. But then one of the things that I always do, and if you do become, I guess, an affiliate for any of these types of products, you really want to have a look at the JV page, the joint venture page, or the affiliate page, because they'll always show you different things in terms of the upsells and the cross sells, all that sort of stuff. So with this one, this was actually old information, so the products itself was fine, but the actual pricing was a little bit different now. Because this is actually a fire sale, it completely changed. So the front end, FE front end, looking at $10, not exactly a huge investment, right? So then they've got an upsell. So the idea being is that an upsell complements the initial product, meaning that it shortcuts your learning curve or it complements it in some way. So with this one, you actually get 10 templates, squeeze page builder, plus follow-up sequences, all that sort of stuff. For it said up there, I think, what did I say? $27, but actually in reality, it was $17, but they had what they call a down sale. Now, down sale basically means that if you reject the first offer, you know, they say that in negotiating, always reject the first offer, and then it will pop up with another offer. So in this case, you reject the first one, you're going to get that upsell for $10, not $17. Yeah, so pretty cool. Same deal here. And the thing is, and just the reason why I'm mentioning this as well is because it helps my audience. So those people that are going to land on my page and they see my video, it doesn't matter how bad the video is, because it's actually quite horrendous, I must admit. But the point being is that when people land on the page, they come to these types of things and they think, oh, okay, cool, this guy, oh, okay, yeah, cool, he's actually helping us out. So instead of me, I mean, I can make more commission by trying to sell the idea of buying something for like $27 or $47, but in reality, if I know there's a downsell, it helps my audience a lot more. It builds trust with my audience, so of course I'm going to help them out. And obviously I earn less. That's fine. I really don't mind. And then yeah, the last one is that you get to actually buy the entire system, which is pretty damn cool. And that's it. Now, and then I add my own bonuses in here. So all these ones, which some of them are custom made, some of them are already part of Commission Gorilla, that are part of their standard bonus lot. And then other ones have just that I've picked up along the way that I am actually offering. If you are interested in taking up a $1 trial of Commission Gorilla, by all means do so. And the other thing I just wanted to show you, so the whole purpose of me putting this video out today is basically I took action on my own advice, and I just wanted to show that yes, it's a little bit nerve-wracking. You know, you go through this process, and it is a little bit of work, I must admit. So to give you a bit of background as to how I went through this. I found a product, so I went onto muncheye.com. I found a product. I went to their joint venture page, their JV page. I then went and applied for to get access to the actual product as an affiliate. I then had to message. I found the vendor online. I went to the vendor. I then contacted the vendor. Said, look, I'm still learning all this stuff, but I'm having a lot of fun. I have made a few sales, as you can see, but I would love to be able to promote this. I'm going to do a review video and put some bonuses together. So it means that I'm not wasting their time. So they approved me very thankfully. Now, normally speaking, you would get review access to these types of products. And for some reason, I guess because it was maybe 4 or 5 hours before the actual launch of the product, I wasn't able to get review access, but I was still able to do a bit of a review video because I knew basically from what I've seen from some of my mentors how well this particular type of product works. So I have a lot of faith in it. And like I say, it's not something that I do use myself, but in all honesty, it is something that does work. And the method that they teach and the way that they put it together does work as well. So I have a lot of confidence in that. So ideally, I would have liked to have gone through the product myself and actually do screenshots of what the training involved and what the actual software does. But unfortunately, time was a little bit limited on this occasion. So that was step two. So Monetise approval. I then went through the JV page and learned as much as I could about the actual software itself. I went through the sales page. I then just did a very basic video of me just chatting, just saying, look, here's where it's at. You can pick it up for $10. Some of those things I mentioned before in terms of the upsells, I mentioned that type of thing so I can help my audience out. What else? Went through the, I guess, what the actual software does and what the training does, plus what the upsells are, what's involved in those. And because I was still in the midst of building this page, like I say, it all happened so quick with this particular one. Hadn't even thought about what bonuses I was going to put on. So I was like, normally I'd go, okay. And as part of that, if you choose to buy it through my link, I'm going to give you da 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 da. But in this occasion, I was like, yeah, if you were to buy it through here, you can get some cool stuff that I'll think about later. And it was sort of, like I say, it wasn't a good one, but I just wanted to get this out there and basically go through this process and get my brain refreshed on how this whole thing works, which has been a while. So that was it. So that was, what do we got? Monetise, apply for the offer. What else are we talking about here? Apply for the offer, accept the offer, review video, build a bonus page, and use the pre-built templates that I already had in place to create the bonus page, and then that's it. So then when I launch it on YouTube, ideally it's going to rank pretty high. So that's going to go over to YouTube. I'll show you guys how it all went out in terms of the ranking. Alrighty, thanks for joining me back here, guys. Seems I've lost my webcam, but anyway, that doesn't necessarily matter, I guess, does it? How silly. Anyway, let's get rid of that. Yeah, cool. Okay, hopefully this is all still recording. I can't actually tell because nothing's happening on my screen, but you kind of get the idea anyway. Let's jump to it. So anyway, what I wanted to show you is now that I've gone through this process. So just again, sorry to harp on about it, but just to recap, went to muncheye.com. I found a product I wanted to promote. I had a look at the JV page. I went to Warrior Plus to find that particular product and managed to get access to that product and basically did a review video, created a very quick page on Commission Gorilla, which adds bonuses to the affiliate offers. So if someone lands on that page, they're going to say, okay, this is great. Look at all these bonuses and all this extra value I get just for picking this up for $10. It's amazing. So now, as you can see, I'm just on YouTube, and what I've done is just typed in the actual one of the keywords I was trying to rank for, and as you can see, so that's one of my mentors there, Jono. He's pretty much always at the top. It's kind of annoying. Good on him. No, he works really hard. He does reviews all the time, so definitely worth having a look at. That gentleman, I think that might be Art Flair. He's another one. He's a pretty big name in IM actually. This guy now, Liberty to Travel. Now he's quite an interesting character because he sort of started, from what I can understand, he sort of started at a similar time to myself, and I've just seen him basically create products and just kind of come out of nowhere. And as you can see, I don't know how long he's been going, but he's got about 1,000 subscribers there, which is really good. Trevor, he's actually the dude that. Oh no, sorry, my apologies, Fergal. So I don't know much about him other than I know he's produced a lot of products, put it that way. And this is me right there. That's a lie. There definitely is views. There's quite a few of them, but not probably as many as obviously the top spot. But as you can see, I mean, I'm on page 1 of that keyword, which is really good. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and yeah, so not bad. Now, little caveat: the algorithm is crazy. So I might be sitting there at number 4 or 5, whatever it is now, and then in maybe another hour I'll refresh and I've been thrown off the list or I'm up one. It takes a little while for it to settle, and I'm not actually entirely sure what the factors are that makes it settle. But anyway, the point being is that I went through this process. It does work. Here's me right there. I'm on page 1. I didn't do anything fancy. I just basically looked at what was working with other similar videos. I then more or less copied what they were doing, obviously adjusted for my own audience. You shouldn't plagiarize. It's not what I did. I just basically, and as Russell Brunson and Anthony Robbins, all those guys say, I modeled what was already working and put it out there. And yeah, that was the result. So hopefully, if someone comes along, they'll see my goofy looking picture and the nice highlighted green, and they'll click on that, have a look. They might even jump to my bonus page. And if I'm really lucky, they'll click through to the offer, make a purchase. I'll end up with a $10 commission, and they will end up with an awesome product that will help them out. So, anyway, I just wanted to do this follow up because I know I kind of left a couple of things sort of untouched about how to go about doing this. And hopefully, just by showing you that I've actually gone through it, it proves that it is doable. It's not overly difficult, and I certainly will be breaking down these steps even further if you do need that assistance as well. And this is far from being my last review video that I'll be doing for sure. So anyway, that's all I wanted to go through today, guys. Thank you so much for joining me. I am going to leave a link below to both Commission Gorilla if you do want to pick that up for $1 trial. You do also get my massive 10 bonus stack as part of that. It's going to be on the actual thank you page once you go through that process. Regardless of whether you end up going through to the whole thing, which I think is only about $37 a year anyway, it's just super cheap for what it is. This is super valuable. I am also going to leave a link to the offer that I'm promoting as well. So if that's of interest, just so you can kind of reverse engineer what I've done as well. It is the best performing template that I use. There's a couple of key features in there that I use time and time again that when I had my former account, I should say, that I am going to continue using now, that will help you out. So anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks so much for joining me. My name's Jamie G. Feel free to hit the subscribe or the like or the dislike, whatever you like. Leave a comment. I'd love to hear your thoughts, and if there's anything you want me to cover in future, please let me know. I'm more than happy to help out. And thank you so much for joining me. Have a great day, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.